Good morning, students. Today we will do what are the advantages of the internet and what are the disadvantages of the internet. First, we will do advantages of the internet. First advantage is it allows people to send messages to other people via emails. So you can add it allows people to send messages to other people via emails, via social networking platforms, via any other apps through which messages can be sent, or in messaging apps in terms of anything that can be sent through audio clips, video clips, or a sound clip, or a pictures, or a visual aids. Such kind of advantages is there of an internet. So internet is in today's time allowing peoples to send free messages, to remain in contact with other peoples through different system. So internet is the basic essential because all the applications, all the messaging apps cannot be possible without the help of an internet. So internet is a basic terminology that we can understand that internet it's the base through which every other system that can be made to make communication very easier can be done. So it is advantageous in today's time that companies, governments, peoples, they are able to remain in contact with each other, and it does not take a second of time to contact other peoples through this internet. Internet has given us a wide and varieties of advantages in terms of searching different informations. In the last lecture we have done different types of search engines. So if a person wants to get informations of a particular topic, they can message in this search engine different topics. They can find it out related to educations, related to business, related to religious, or related to entertainment. In today's time, a person can get each and every information with a tip of his fingertip. With the help of a fingertip, now it is possible that the whole world it is there in a single click. You can search any country, you can see any country through your mobile, through YouTube. It's possible that you can get interested in any such kind of activities. Any such kind of informations can be easily found out through these different platforms. So either YouTube, a video app through which you can view, upload any videos related to any categories. There are different channels specifically. Example, for the sports lover, for the cricketers, for the footballers, channels are there. For a specific category, food, different channels are there. Food, we are having different categories. For example, snacks, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sweets, desserts. Many categories are there. You can search on any kinds of topics without any hesitations, conveniently, freely, with a tip of your finger. So it is easy in today's time to get updated with the latest trend, latest knowledge. You don't have to visit a store, you don't have to visit a shop for a specific things, but you can from your home, from the place where you belong can search about any places, any person, any people. So uses of internets are very wide. So internet, the basic use people have done, that was email. But in today's time, we are having many options apart from email. We are having WhatsApp. Messages are, text messages are converted into video messages, audio messages. Right? So system has changed. Technology has updated. People are acquainted with latest features in the smartphone. So advantages of internet is very, very wide, which we cannot discuss in this one lecture. But yes, the basic thing that we can understand is that nothing is in today's time possible, or it is impossible without internet to join different people across different country, different government, different world. Technology is there. When I get up early in the morning, around the full day, different use I do of an technology. So advantages of internet is very wide. It allows people to chat, converse, debate or discuss issues. In today's time, students are given an opportunity that through an online platform they are able to debate through Zoom, through live lectures. Live options is available. For example, Instagram we have live options. Facebook we have live option where we can show our live things that we are doing. So advantages of internet is very wide. It allows people to chat. How we can chat? Through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through Facebook, through Hike, and many, many more apps that is useful for messaging. It stores all kind of files that people want to access. So in today's time, if you want a minute informations that you can get it from your internet, it allows people on one computer to connect to a remote computer. As we say, it is possible. Especially one example I can give of games, online games. Person can play online games with the next person of his choice by sending the passwords or sharing the passwords. You can at the same time can play an online game. So now it is possible. Most of the games are played through online platform. So many youth in today's time are used with, or they use this gaming apps. So what is the advantage? Online we can do numerous activities. For example, filling an application form. A student can fill an application form online. Professor can send an online result to a student. Student can ask related doubts through online platform. So that is the advantage of internet, that internet it's able to give us a platform through which we can easily, conveniently can send messages, remain in contact with them. We can get a lot of informations on any topic. So any topics of any choice, right? If we require, if we especially are interested in sports, हम sports में ज़्यादा interested है, then we will search those informations that is already there in different websites. So it is possible in today's time that internet has played a very vital role in development of different sectors. Now we say governments are also using internet digital medium for the purpose of payments, for the purpose of different tender and different administrative work. In today's time, it's impossible without internet. So internet is necessary. We can read books on the internet and also can download them. We can play interesting games which are a source of entertainment. We can chat people with far away places. Apart from advantage, there are several disadvantages of the internet. So as we say that every topic has advantage and disadvantage, same internet disadvantage is nothing can be kept confidential on the internet. Once the information is placed, it can be accessed by anyone, anytime, and from any place. It means that in today's time, any kinds of informations will be spreading like a virus. Viral. Everything can be viral in today's time. So it may happen that certain things are that is confidential. Right? So if anything is been viral, it can be accessed by anyone, anybody, right, across the world who can access to the internet or who is having an access to the internet can view such kind of videos, such kind of documents which has been uploaded. So it is difficult to control at such times. So positive aspects of an internet is where you can send positive news, but disadvantage is there when negative news or rumors are spread. It generally impacts the larger part of the society. In today's time, in WhatsApp, we find that many fake news are circulated. The news may not be right. Right? Recently, Government of India has abandoned the 370, Article 370. So in that, right, we see that with this kind of system, generally WhatsApps were being used to spread hatred, right, in today's time also among any kinds of riots, strikes which takes place across the country. WhatsApp is used in a negative manner, right? So when these platforms are used in negative manners, it will create a huge impact in the societies, and societies peoples will be sometimes be given a wrong message. So it is useful that internet should be used in today's time as to spread the positive news. You can send religious messages, you can spend messages how to live a healthy life, you can spread messages of positive news, motivating other peoples that they should do something in their life, right? So when you are able to give a positive message to the people, then internet is used in positive term. But when your intention is to just do a negative activities, it is usually not ethical in the society. So many peoples, even many politicians, they used to use internet for the negative aspects. They spread negative news about a government. They will spread the negative news in terms of their favor. So it is unethical that such kind of system is used for negative activities, and terrorists can use internet for the purpose of spreading hatred among the societies. So such kind of system should be curbed through latest technological advancement in government institutions which are responsible for limiting such kind of forces. So it is that sometimes confidential informations are circulated which should not be done, right? So such things should be banned. The internet is sometimes misused by people for antisocial purpose. Antisocial purpose is which is not good for the societies. Riots, strikes, we spread some negative news about certain places. So it will create a negative aspects among the societies, peoples. This thing should be stopped. Right, so when internet is used in a negative terms, it impacts larger people at a larger stages of life. Junk mails are becoming a great problem on the internet. Many information will be hacked. Many peoples are generally doing or misusing any such activities which is not bearable. Right? So this was a small discussion on advantage and disadvantage. Thank you.